Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make shrimp and mushroom adobo. And here are the ingredients. 2 pounds of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 8 ounces of portobello mushrooms, quartered. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, sea salt, and fresh ground pepper to taste. First, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the shrimp. Now we're going to season with sea salt. Heat up a wok to high heat and we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the mushrooms and saute for about 3 minutes. Now remove the mushrooms from the pan and add the shrimp. Now saute the shrimp until it's pink. Now remove the shrimp and set aside. Now discard any liquid left in the wok. Add a tablespoon of olive oil, then add the garlic. You're going to stir fry this until it's golden brown. Now add some fresh ground pepper. Now add the vinegar and the soy sauce. After about 1 minute, add the honey. Now turn off the heat and add the shrimp and mushrooms back to the wok. So there you have it, my recipe for shrimp and mushroom adobo. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.